Hi, I'm Matt. I lead the team behind Fontio. If you find this video useful and you find my app useful, please do give me a 5-star review in the App Store. Our business runs on 5-star reviews. So what I'm going to go through real quick is how we get custom fonts into Fontio and Fontio Store and start from literally a fresh slate. Like, I don't even have a premium tier, as you can see here, and you need the lifetime premium tier to add custom fonts. So this is my store, super boring. I pulled a custom font from here. I think I may have downloaded this one or this one. Kind of pretty, and this is my store editor. So first thing I need to do is upgrade to premium, because right now I cannot add anything here, right? So let's click this. That number's a bit funny. I need to change this page actually. I don't like that. Great. I just upgraded. So let's add some fonts. So I have my font files downloaded already. See, I can drop them here and they drag in, or I can click, and I realized I don't really want everyone to see my personal files, but I'm just going to move really fast so no one can see them. There we go. So any core font file, which is like a WAF or a TTF, should work. So let's add Beauty Mountains, which is my new font. There we go. Beauty Mountains is here. When it's in this side, that means it's uploaded. So I go back to my dashboard, and I think these are H2 tags, and maybe these are H3s, so I'll add H2s and H3s. Let's do custom, add, there's only one, save. Let's do H3 custom, add H3, save. I'm gonna probably build a feature to make this a little faster for everybody. Custom again, save. Okay, so Beauty Mountain Spurs, that's what it's called, should show up now in this screen where you add your fonts, and also in the front of the store. It won't show up in your typography backend section, which I think is the common misconception with Fontio. Let's see how this fires. There we go. Ah, it's so pretty. And then just to show that shows up in store here. So Fontio runs over the top of Shopify to make sure that every time the store renders, it's the last thing that renders, so it doesn't slow your site down, and kind of fires through a CDN. So anyway, that's how you add a custom font. That's pretty cool. But you won't be finding it in the back end somewhere, so you can go in here and change this. Anyway, if you found this video helpful and you've uploaded custom fonts, please give me a 5-star review on the App Store. Massively valuable for us. If not, if you have questions, the email address that comes straight to me is all over the internal side, the support side, everywhere. But I think it's fontio@buysimply.com. But yeah, I hope this helps, and have fun with your store. Good luck.